Environmental problems have become one of the most urgent concerns in the modern world. Issues such as climate change, pollution, deforestation, and waste accumulation are largely caused by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels and rapid industrializations. These problems are not only damage ecosystems but also threaten human health and future generations. Therefore, immediate and collective action is necessary to address these challenges. One of the most serious environmental problems is air and water pollutions. Industrial waste, vehicle emissions, and chemical runoff contaminate natural resources, making air unsafe to breathe and water unsafe to drink. This pollution leads to respiratory illnesses in humans and harm marine life, disrupting entire ecosystem. Closely related to this is the issue of global warming and climate change. The continuous use of fossil fuels releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, trapping heat and causing global temperature to rise. As a result, glaciers are melting, sea levels are increasing, and extreme weather events such as storms, drought, and floods are causing more frequent in. Another major concern is deforestation and biodiversity loss. Forests are being cleared for agriculture, infrastructure, and urban expansion, leading to the destruction of natural habitat. So marami po tayong nakikita ng mga bundok na nakakalbo dahil overlodging, minimina, and at the same time, it's the expansion of subdivision or villages in the Philippines. Yung dating mga rice field, ngayon ay mga building na ang nakatayo. So, nakita pa natin yan. So, this is not only causes many species to become extinct, but also reduce the planet's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, worsening climate change. In addition is waste accumulation. Marami tayong na-accumulate ng mga plastic kasi mostly yung mga drinks ay plastic ang kanilang mga lagyan. So, has become a growing problem. Non-biodegradable materials pile up in landfill and oceans, causing long-term environmental damages and endangering wildfire. Despite these challenges, there are several effective solutions and strategies that can help mitigate environmental problems. One of the most important steps is transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar. No, marami na pong gumagamit ng mga solar, personal and for business consumption, wind and hydroelectric power. These alternatives produce little to no greenhouse gas emission, making them more environmentally friendly than fossil fuels. Another key solution is adopting sustainable practice, particularly the principle of the 3R: reducing, reusing, and recycling. This is very important. This practice helps conserve resources and minimize waste production. Reforestation and conservation efforts are also essential. Planting trees and protecting trees can restore ecosystem, even just sa ating mga kapaligiran. No, kailangan magtanim po tayo ng mga halaman at mga trees, mga fruit trees, to preserve biodiversity and act as natural carbon sink that absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Kasi the more trees, the more oxygen. Furthermore, government plays a crucial role by enforcing strict environmental policies, and regulation. These laws can limit pollution, control waste disposal, and prevent illegal deforestation, ensuring that industries follow environmentally responsible practices. Just like yung pag-separate ng nabubulok, hindi nabubulok, and then yung mga general waste. Finally, individual action should not be underestimated. We are all responsible and accountable to the surrounding and to the atmosphere where we live in. Simply change in daily life, such as conserving energy, using public transportation, and reducing plastic consumption, shifting from plastic into paper, yung mga binibili po natin, can collectively make a significant impact on the environment. So in conclusion, environmental problems are complex and interconnected, but they are not impossible to solve. With cooperation among government, industries, and individuals, along with the adoption of sustainable practices and innovative solutions, it is possible to protect the planet and create a healthier, more sustainable future for all.